And they said that they were deadlocked on each of the 3 counts. Remember, the jury has to make 3 separate decisions about this charge, this single charge. Essentially, they have to decide whether there was consent in this encounter that both Andrea Constand and Bill Cosby say happened. Did he attempt to intoxicate her? Is the second question. And the third question is, was she unconscious or semi-conscious when this incident was happening? So all 3 seem to come together very closely, and it's hard to see how you could do one without the other. But essentially, that's the problem. They're undecided, or they can't be unanimous on any of those 3 issues, and the judge told them to go back. And also, he said, if you can agree unanimously on 1 or 2, let us know then, because there can be the case can end with 2 of the counts or 1 of the counts decided. And the prosecutors have indicated to some extent that if they can get 1 guilty charge, that they would be satisfied, because again, each count carries a 10-year sentence, a possible 10-year sentence. So they basically want to get 1 conviction out of the 3. But at this point, you know, we're some 30 hours plus into this process, which is, given the length of the trial, about 5-6 days or so. This is a long deliberation. There are some local reporters who think this is one of the longest ever in this county, especially for a non-capital case. So this is not a surprise that the jury is saying that they're hung. And now, how long will they go back for? Again, that's a matter of speculation. They could go back for a couple of hours or an hour and say, look, we've done this for 30+ hours and it's just not going to happen. Or they could come back and ask more questions. But the questions that they have asked and the requests that they have made were essentially to, as some people describe it, to just retry the case. They asked for Bill Cosby's testimony about the night in question and Andrea Constand's. So they've gone through the facts again. So I'm saying all this to suggest that this deadlock could be for a long time.
Okay, Ron, stand by. Ron is with us outside the courthouse where this case is being heard, where the jury is deliberating. Ari Melber is with us, our chief legal correspondent. Ari, there's no limit to the number of times a judge can tell the jury to go back and try again, right? Doesn't happen a lot, but he can keep on telling them to keep trying to get a verdict.
Judges push hard, but this is very good news for the defendant, Bill Cosby. This is an indication that despite the overwhelming testimonial evidence that was put forward in this case, unusually more than 1 accuser, 2 accusers, the second accuser for a different incident that was not on trial, that testimonial evidence has not moved all the jurors. So there's a lot we don't know about what goes on in the jury room. Ron reporting on this. I was up in the trial as well for a couple days last week, and what we saw was a jury that was listening attentively, that was hearing this evidence from these accusers, that did not ever hear from Bill Cosby directly, although his depositions and some of his words were frequently, of course, used and debated. But this is good news for the defendant and their trial team, and it shows that they were able to sow some doubt with at least 1 juror. Now, where do we go from here when you look at this news, this case that people have followed for so long, so many allegations against Bill Cosby? Of course, as I mentioned, only 1 at issue in the trial. But this kind of deadlock means that the defense did its work and found some sort of ally or doubt on the jury. Now, we're not in the business of prediction, but we can tell you in past cases, when you deadlock like this and they come out after this many hours and this much deliberation, often what you see is a permanent deadlock.
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.